Torrential Slide certainly is a mid-position digital money right now estimated at $10.08 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $3,469,227,004, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Over the especially past in every practical sense barely any years, cryptographic forms of money, including Torrential Slide, laid out a really impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world, and in a real sense, are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex. A few institutional financial backers even truly consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Retail financial backers and dealers in every practical sense are truly keen on digital currencies, for example, Avax, on the grounds that this generally is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources in a real sense have the essentially potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately by and large brief time frame in a very huge manner. These profits especially are really out of reach in kind of different business sectors, which certainly is the justification for why most kind of moderate financial backers certainly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Torrential Slide, while the groundbreaking ones basically give a huge piece of their genuinely funding to this quickly creating resource class in an unobtrusive manner. At this essentially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Torrential Slide to the level at $10.08, where it presently especially sits. As currently referenced, Avax fundamentally is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the extremely metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the by and large current cost, by the market capitalization of the computerized resource amazingly. On account of Torrential Slide, the market capitalization truly remains at $3,469,227,004. The significance of this boundary will especially be for the most part made sense of later, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation calculation especially is planned so that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the by and large present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough certainly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and truly choose whether or not it especially needs to be reconfigured. Our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information, which especially is truly key for the essentially right assessment of both in every practical sense current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its genuinely present and future heading, or so they truly thought. Beneath you will truly find in every practical sense key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could truly have a comprehension of where the Torrential Slide market in every way that really matters is going. Essentially further appearance how a few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive way. Recently, on August 23, Avax basically was esteemed at $10.13 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Explicitly recollect that digital forms of money especially are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a by and large enormous manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period really added up to 2.09% in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on August 17, Torrential Slide generally was exchanged at $11.37 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its especially present position. So these profits by and large are somewhat impossible in every practical sense, different business sectors, which in a real sense is the justification for why most moderate financial backers basically are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Torrential Slide, while the groundbreaking ones really commit a huge part of their very money to this quickly creating resource class, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. On July 24, which by and large was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $13.11. The cost level that certainly is at the distance of 23.09% from where it at present stands, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX certainly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which is genuinely huge. Market capitalization in every practical sense is another significant pretty metric that fundamentally assists traders with basically deciding the prevalence of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in an unpretentious manner. It's likewise used to really survey the offer that torrential slide in every practical sense holds inside the whole digital currency market in a kind of enormous manner. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization sort of is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the cash being referred to generally is duplicated by its certainly current cost in an exceptionally significant manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax in every practical sense remains at $3,469,227,004. Enough to name it the 22nd, practically the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which explicitly shows that our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in sort of such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to truly furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the fundamentally present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily basically survey the condition of their portfolio and certainly choose whether or not it in a real sense needs to generally be reconfigured in an essentially significant manner. Recently, on August 23, the market capitalization of torrential slide commonly remained at $3,485,246,309 in an essentially enormous manner. 7 days prior, on August 17, the capitalization of Avax in a real sense was $3,909,778,373. Essentially further appearance at this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of torrential slide to the level at $10.08. Where it right now really sits in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on July 24, how much sort of capital streaming around this exceptionally specific market fundamentally added up to $4,534,952,628, or so the in every practical sense thought. Most digital currency financial backers generally stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an extremely certain cryptographic money and its capacity to explicitly endure disturbances, which sort of are the kind of normal event on this profoundly unstable market, which especially is very huge. The sort of most extreme stockpile of torrential slide in a real sense is 720,000,000 Avax. The very all-out supply of Avax as of now especially remains at 438,176 coins, so a few institutional financial backers even fundamentally consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive way.